So this video today is going to be all about my note-taking software, OneNote, that I use for different things. You can see over here on the left I have about 5 different notebooks that I use. One from last year for my fall semester classes. This one is for my work with admissions. This is just a personal notebook, and then these two are for cooking recipes for next year whenever I live in an apartment, and this one is for my current classes that I'm taking this semester. So if we're in the cooking recipes notebook, we can see there are 3 different sections, one for dinner, so different slow cooker recipes that I can use for dinner, and I actually just screen grabbed this off of the website using OneNote's online tool. And then this one is for desserts. So this is actually clipped from this website. You can see here OneNote has a really awesome tool that you can use, and if it notices that it's a recipe, it can actually put it in this format for you. And you can see I've highlighted a few things here, like the serving size and how long it has to cook, and different ingredients and specifics. And then in the breakfast one, we can see another one just like that. This was using the same OneNote feature where it notices a recipe and it puts it in this nice format for you. And you can see I've highlighted something here and then also put a note there. And then if we go into my other notebook for my spring 2018 classes, we can see my notes for this class, EDCI 270, with week 3, whenever we talked about the Lafayette Academy in Slovakia. And then I have some different notations here for that. And we can also see one of my notes for my geosciences and cinema class, which is EAPS 106.